Ulat ke Jylla UCH Vijaya Shankar negasing ba aru lit jingo ya kasnong mauplang ba ya kajaka ka bapau nam tam ka Law Kyntang ni ka Secret Groves hadin ka jingsha khas khobha ha ka Khas Hills Autonomous District Council. Lasenra ni ulat ke Jylla da UCEM ka KHADC ba Pinyat Singh CM u Deputy CEM ba PNCM u Chairman ka KHADC ba Lamprang Bra u lingdo ka hima mauplang u ba CE lingdo bat kiwe. Ulat ke Jylla ulaya kran bekinong song ka self-help group yang pyrthei berula ai ke jingero ya ke jingri uspa ke Jylla Meghalaya ha kalian ka culture bat ka mai mariang. Haba ai jing kran ulaya ro ya ki pai riulum bat ya ka jaj benriu khasi bagi di ki be iet bhai ka mariang ki balai hikairu ya ka pyrthei bat ya ka jingkor dor ka jongka. Ulang bakum unong song ka Mysore kalong ka ba e bhai u ben ong ba ki wei pat ki chaka ki kham itnat banya ka Mysore henry andau lawan Meghalaya. Ula Shem bad haban kubur ya kajing shisha baka Meghalaya ka longkum ka Bneng. Ulat ula pensenguru ya kajing dan kam ban pinne pensa ya ki klau ki petap bad banjur ya bagi klau kim dei tang ka telong jong kajing penyat bet ya ka mariang hendri ki badru ya kajing mut ka bajiliu ha ka bayadei bat ka culture bad kajing penmi ya ki dawai dashin.
Yes, please, all of you. Please. Please. Issue comes to me. I'm from Mysore. Mysore, in the sense that place also you have to visit. It is also a wonderful place. It is an international world tourism hub, I can say. But we being Mysoreans, it is very difficult to say any other place. It is more beautiful than Mysore. It is very difficult to say, being a Mysorean. Because we have two national parks in our area. One is Nagrole, another one is Bandipur. We have two major rivers. One is Kaveri, another one is Kabini. We have one bird sanctuary, world famous bird sanctuary. We have a palace, wonderful palace in the city of Mysore. We have been ruled, the kings who have been ruled, we people not less than 300 years. And if at all you are able to see a zoo, number one zoo in the country, actually that is in Mysore. I being a Mysorean, it is very difficult to say this place is more beauty than Mysore. But after I come here to Meghalaya, it is inevitable for me. I have to accept the truth. It is really, Meghalaya is really heaven, I say. It is really heaven. You are living in heaven. And whenever the issue of Ayurveda and medicinal plant comes, I have been served as a forest minister, Government of Karnataka. I know the importance of forest. And when I was the MLA during 94, I was in the standing committee on forest. When I had come to Parliament during 98 first time, by that time also I have been requested the Honorable Speaker, Mr. Sangma. Of course, he was from this area. He was the Speaker of Lok Sabha by that time. I requested him personally to place me in the Standing Committee on Forest. By that time also I have been served in the Forest Committee only. And when I got an opportunity to be the minister in the state government, I have been requested of the Honorable Chief Minister to allow me to serve as a Forest Minister. Because I know the importance of forest personally. Because I also belongs to that area. And my brother is from that area. Totally forest area.
Some of what they have
by this time is actually the flowering. It's almost these are the
Different,
shoe.
they are different forests.
Okay. Yes, take it. Okay. Any other thing?
The Ningkong ni shop also ban pau ke jing kemen but I kublai hadin bang ilayo ya ke jing kendu kerpang but I honorable governor hakatayo ko bladep but hakani ke jing kendu nila khot ru ye I banwan banjingo ya ke nika jaka hang ni pok maplang kadau ko bangi penlong yangi ban khot ya governor sya ke nika jaka kalong bangi kwa ba honorable governor jongka Meghalaya bamenta ba dang shimti shen yang ni kam bon tip khamba habide ba ka jinglong jingman kerpang habide kariti to store jongi khasi ta kum mangi tip hang ni po mo phlang ni don ka khasi heritage village ka ba don kumba ka jaka kumba phra eka but hakani ka jaka ka ba phra eka ni don ki jingtai ki ba pher kum ki yeng trap but ki yeng sa nam ki ba pen I ya kanuksa jong ki tu ki yeng ki badan haki hima ba pher tenga so ba ka jingwan jong governor kalong ka eke ba dan kam ban ra ka khubor syakari India hai brokawai ba ka jinglong kerpang jong ka jai benrio jungi ka dan hang ni te ka shulong ba nakaliang governor ru la kentu ingi bangi habban long ki brio ki ba dan jingkit khli habi day ban pene pensa kamtam ya kamariang kumba ulapen kenmau yangi mene ong ba ladai kani ka jaka le se po Meghalaya kladai ka Bneng te ngaso ba kumki nong Meghalaya kum ka jap benri khasi ngi de ben shim kabu kata ngi de ben suthu kata bala kiwei ki bonna kiwei pat ki jaka kiwei pat ki state ki suthu jing koridor jong ka Jylla Meghalaya kat no tam mangi le ba de ban la kha la im la he la san hang ni bat ngin yap ru hang ni ngi hab ban long ki ba